All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're talking about Robinhood listing 4 new cryptocurrencies. That's right. Robinhood finally listed Shiba Inu. Robinhood listed Compound. Robinhood listed Solana. And Robinhood listed Polygon. So we got 4 new cryptocurrencies on Robinhood. This is fantastic for the Robinhood. This is fantastic for the coin. This is fantastic for everybody that's on Robinhood that wants to buy more than just Dogecoin. All right. Also, we're going to be talking about how high can Shiba Inu go being on Robinhood now. How high can it go? And then last, we're going to talk about piston race. It's been about a week, all the ejections. I'm going to show you my thing. There's still few more hours that if you want to exit the race. So everybody who entered it on the first day has until today. So we're going to go to Piston Token, check out the race, talk about that. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos, or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Robinhood brings on 4 cryptocurrencies. All right, so I'm over here at my Robinhood account here. I have a little bit in Robinhood. It says, Robinhood, you can now trade Compound, Matic, Shiba, and Solana. Click here, view the new listings. So we're clicking it. And right here on Robinhood, yep, can you believe it, everybody? So we actually have Solana on Robinhood right here. I can add it to my my things, which I will in a second. I got Shiba Inu right here. It's up 19% today. Holy cow, Shiba, holy cow. Yep, this is what's going to happen. The new platforms, now everybody on this Robinhood that's been buying Dogecoin and been buying Litecoin and been buying, Bitcoin, and they only got a few to choose from. Now they got 4 more to choose. Polygon is up 2.5%. Solana's up 3%. Compound is up 8%. Here's your prices and stuff. Let's go ahead and add this. So let's add it to my crypto watch. Save it. All right, let's go ahead and add Polygon to my crypto watch. Save it. Let's go ahead and add Solana to my crypto watch. Saving it. Yeah, I don't know, for some reason I got to hit 3 times to save. But this is just showing you this is super big. Look at all these numbers, these people. Everybody's up. 2% up, 19% up, 2% up, 8% up. All right, looking good here. All right, so over here at CoinMarketCap, just want to take a look at a couple things here. So right here, let's see, where is it at? Shiba Inu, look today. Shiba up 19%. So that's because it got listed, up 19%. Polygon right below it, up 3.85%. Solana, look at that, up 3%, which is fantastic. And right here, Compound, look at that, up 9%. It's going up, it's going up. All right, so the key thing here is we got these 4 cryptocurrencies that are now listed on Robinhood. It's fantastic that it's on Robinhood, so now you can actually go and see these new listings on your Robinhood app and stuff. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. These 4 cryptocurrencies, all 4 of them are up. I mean, we've been talking forever and ever about Robinhood bringing on Shiba Inu, and now they have, and there's big jumps going on. So let's go ahead and talk about, will Shiba Inu just rocket to the moon being on Robinhood? Right here on Watchers News, how high will Shiba Inu go after being listed on Robinhood? So here's what it says. Robinhood has finally listed Shiba Inu on the platform, and the token is now available for trading. The leading exchange confirmed that through a tweet, they have added Shiba to trade to transact. We dropped new crypto. We're giving away 100K of it. Okay, so that's cool. Robinhood's giving away the tweets. The Robinhood users, the first 10K quoted tweets will receive $10 as Shiba. All right, so if you're the first 10K that quotes, tweets will receive, Robinhood crypto. All right, breaking. Robinhood will list Shiba Inu. Shiba community is thrilled for the first news of Robinhood listing of Shiba Inu. I mean, they've been waiting forever. The voices are finally heard after 8 months since, hey, Robinhood, when is Shiba Inu going to get listed? The listing first started August. They were talking about it 8 months later. Finally, Robinhood heard the community voice. He dropped a new crypto, so again, they're giving away 100K. Don't forget about that. How high can Shiba Inu go after Robinhood's listing? Number one, a big spike in price. So that's what they're saying here. There's going to be a big spike in price. Again, don't take all my information is for educational purpose only. This is what the article is saying. As soon as the listing announcement was made, SHIB spiked 25% and the token could zoom further past the price today. In fact, Bitcoin is still down and Shiba was shooting up double digits charts. Well, Bitcoin is already listed on Robinhood, so there's not a big news on that. But Shiba Inu, this is big, big news. They've been waiting for 8 months. The classic fear of missing out, the FOMO, fear of missing out, has hit investors who stayed away from this token. And everyone now is bargaining and trading the amps to buy. It won't come as any surprise if she crosses 50% today and go further up in price. Go Shiba, go. Number two, the listing opens the floodgates to new users in SHIB. This is what I always talk about. Anytime you list a new coin, like when AMP coins get listed on something else or somebody else gets listed, all those people, the listing opens a floodgate of new users to SHIB. Okay, so here's what it says. Robinhood boosts 22 million. So 22 million people can now buy Shiba Inu. The platform generates close to $700 million in income revenue. Even if 10% of the users decide to buy SHIB, it would be 2.2 million transactions of the SHIB in the very first day. Holy cow. In addition, when users decide to buy the token over the span of the week, the numbers would almost double. So this is, again, there's 22 million people, 22.5 million users on Robinhood that may not be on Binance, may not be on Coinbase. Maybe they're only on Robinhood. Now they can get the SHIB. It is expected that at least 4 million users could buy and transact SHIB on Robinhood this month. The platform opened the floodgates to new customers to buy Shiba Inu, and the token could maintain the price jump throughout the month. The last time SHIB went parabolic was in October 21 when it spiked 1,000% in 30 trading days. Yeah, it's getting ready to happen again, everybody. All right. So all kinds, again, 22.5 million users can now get access to Shiba Inu. But listen, same thing with Solana. Everybody who's on Robinhood that's only been buying the Litecoins and the Bitcoins and Ethereum Classic now can buy Solana. That's fantastic. 22.5. That price is probably, it is up right now, and it's probably going to keep going up for a while. Compound, same thing. People are going to go buy Compound just because it's on the platform, which is fantastic. And Polygon, Matic is also on Robinhood. So this is some fantastic news for all four of those coins. It's also going to bring a lot of action to Robinhood. So Robinhood is going to get a lot of action. A lot of things are going to be kicking up here. So good for Robinhood, good for Shiba Inu, good for Solana, good for Compound, good for Polygon, good for cryptocurrency in general. They made a comment that Bitcoin is not going up as much. Bitcoin's already been listed on Robinhood. This is a big thing for these four cryptocurrencies and the Robinhood. All right, let's go head over to the race. Piston token. Let's head over to Piston real quick. This is a cryptocurrency, 1%. 365% off your initial investment. You can hit the nitro button and compound your money, or you can actually claim your money. All right, over here at Piston Token. Token's down a little bit at $7.66. Maybe a good time for people to get in. The Binance Smart Chain BSC token built on the best-in-class decentralized technology. Piston was designed to run an ecosystem, earn rewards by depositing your tokens in the Piston Race dashboard. All right, over here at the race. So we got basically, I got 8.18. I'm going to hit the nitro. We're going to throw this 0.18 into my gas tank. We're going to pay our little fee here. We're compounding it or nitroing it, which is real cool. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to get, oh, look at that. Nitro injected. Your nitro was successfully injected, and now your car is accelerating and to bring you more rewards at a faster rate. Holy cow, everybody. So that's pretty good. I got 229 outside of the race right this second. I'm going to start putting it in. Take a look right here to the right. I can still exit the race right this second. So today's my last day. If I want to exit the race, I can. This is a nice feature, again, for different cryptocurrency projects. In the first 7 days, you can actually exit the race if you wanted to. I don't know of any other projects that are actually doing that. Going over to the white paper real quick. Piston race. The basics. The user deposits pistons to add fuel to their gas tank. They will receive 1% return for up to 365% of the amount in the tank. The amount of the calculations include new tokens deposit as well as tokens compounding using the nitro button. We just did that nitro, so you kind of know what that means. How is this a race? The goal of a real world race car is to be the fastest around the track. The goal of a piston user is to accelerate the earnings by the following. Here we go. Making deposits new to pistons, so putting new money in. Adding fuel using the nitro button to compound your earnings so you can hit your nitro. You receive your boost from your pit crew. So if your pit crew is actually hydrating, you're going to get a little boost. Pit crew, aka downline of your network, people they have referred, and the people referring by those people, that's going to help you in the race. And the last, boost, a portion of the transaction fees of the people in one of the pit crews. So there's all kinds of things to help you in the race. Moving it down right here, can I exit the race? Yes, with many projects required, you're permanently forfeit at your deposits. You have 7 days to start the race and fully exit the protocol if you wish, which is really, really nice, everybody. All right, so again, back over here at the race. Also, just so you know, to swap it right here, you basically put it right here, and you right on the page of the Piston token, you swap it right here, boom. When you need to claim your money, you would claim it right here too. All right, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so a lot of good stuff going on with Robinhood. 4 new cryptocurrencies bringing to the table. The big one of them all is Shiba Inu. Let's go over to CoinMarketCap real quick and look at this real quick. All right, Compound is up 9.16% today. Scrolling. All right. Polygon is up almost 4% today. Shiba Inu is up 19% today. And last and surely not least, Solana is up 3.71% today. All right, everybody, this has been an ongoing thing for 8 months. Will Shiba Inu get listed on Robinhood? It's listed on there. For all the users out there that have Robinhood, you can actually go get literally compound cryptocurrency on your app today or on your computer. You can also basically get Shiba Inu, which is real big. 22.5 million people can now get access to Shiba Inu because of Robinhood. I think those two are going to hit it off real good. And then the other two, Polygon and Matic, and of course Solana. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Click over here so you can see my most recent video. Click over here so you can learn about Drip Network. A lot of things, getting ready for their birthday, April 22nd. All right, everybody. Big news with Robinhood and Shiba and those other 3 cryptocurrencies. We will see you a little bit later on today.